How to send crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. Welcome back to Sorcerer, everybody, and let's get right into this tutorial. So starting off, to transfer your crypto between your Coinbase account and your Coinbase wallet, it is pretty straightforward process. For that, just tap open your Coinbase app on your mobile device. Then you need to select on the button of transfer or send crypto. After that, you need to choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. When entering the recipient address, tap the option that shows your email address. This will indicate a transfer to your Coinbase wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer and tap on Preview. Carefully review the transaction details, including any fees associated with the transfer. If everything looks fine, just confirm the transfer by tapping on Send Now button. Some of the things to mark before you send to your crypto wallet is that ensure you are transferring to the correct network. Always double check this during the preview stage. Coinbase provides a detailed guide on their website for transferring crypto between Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can check out help.coinbase.com. And that wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.